Hey nuts lovers, are you ready for a crazy comparison? Today we're putting Toffee Macadamias against chocolate pecans. Which one wins the crown? Let's start with the Toffee Macadamias. These are a perfect combo of crunchy macadamias and sweet toffee that will make you fall in love at first bite. They're a good source of energy and packed with healthy fats. They're perfect for a midday snack or as an add-on for your favorite dessert. Now let's move to the chocolate pecans. Whether you're enjoying them as a midday snack or as a dessert, the combination of pecans and dark chocolate is truly indulgent. Pecans are high in antioxidants, fiber, and healthy fats. So which one is the winner? They're both delicious and loaded with beneficial nutrients. So why not try both and decide for yourself which one wins the crown? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more unboxing videos and reviews.